Welcome to Design Mart. We'd like to tell you about a popular new feature called the Online Monument Catalog. There are thousands of designs to browse and search, and when you select one, a larger image appears along with all of the specifications necessary for pricing and manufacturing the monument, such as the dimensions of the base, the monument, any vases and other parts, a complete listing of the CAD files or components needed to sandblast or etch the stone. When you click the image of the selected monument, you are directed to another screen where you're zoomed in for a closer look, and you and your customer can print the designs you need. On the left of the screen, you'll see the titles of all of our books and brochures. There are about 30 of them, so there are plenty of monument designs here. For example, if you click on our newest laser etching book, Memories Etched in Stone, Laser Edition, you'll be able to see hundreds of laser photos and monuments. Again, by selecting an image, you're taken to a larger image and given the specifications for the monument design, such as stone and base size, and in the case of an etching, the pixel dimensions and DPI resolution available for your laser etcher. Anytime you order a design, whether it's a laser design or a vector design for sandblast, you get 25% off if you have an active subscription to the online catalog. A retailer would send the info to the manufacturer, and if the piece is being imported, the manufacturer or retailer would simply give the username and password to the overseas manufacturer or exporter, and they could quickly see the same specifications and easily quote the price of the stone. Now, this etching book is one of Design Mart's newer monument books, but all of the industry favorites are here too, such as Precious Memories. Your customers can browse any of these collections, and if you're running specials or even have certain monuments in stock, you can point your customers to those collections in the online catalog. Once in Precious Memories, they may locate a design they like this D916. Again, it's shown with all of the specifications, such as measurements of the monument and its base in 3 sizes. An alternate design is shown in the top left corner of most of the pages, and all of the carving components and CAD files are noted here. Again, if you order the CAD file for cutting sandblast stencil and you have an active subscription to the online catalog, you get 25% off the cost of the CAD file. Clicking on the image takes you to a larger view where the image can be printed if you'd like. Our Design of the Month is also featured in the online catalog. Now, this lets you and your customers choose from the latest designs we have before they are actually released in books and brochures. Now you've seen how to browse all the DMart monument catalogs by clicking on their titles on the left of the screen, but there are also other ways to search for a monument if you're looking for something specific. If you look at the top right of your screen, you see search options. The first one is to search by DMart number. If your customer gives you a number but you don't have a picture of the design, or if you just need to know the title of the series, just click here and enter the DMart number in this box and click Search. I just searched for D1473 and I got the preview screen. Then I can click on the image to get a larger image and all of the carving and measurement specifications. Remember, you can click at the top to zoom in and print out. You can also search by keyword. Let's say I want to look at all of the heart designs that are available. I just type in heart and the results appear here. As you can see, there are lots of results, and you and your customers can browse for the ideal monument design. When you find the one you'd like, simply click the preview image to go to a larger file and get details such as dimensions and the names of CAD files needed for cutting. You can search by series, which is essentially the same as clicking on the titles that appear on the left. Here I've decided to click the We Remember series, and all of the monuments load into the preview screen. You can also search by page number. Often someone in a retail or manufacturing office will be given only a page number, but they don't know which out of the 30 books the person was referring to. Entering the page number here, such as page 5, will display page 5 from each of the DMart books. You can also search by monument type. Let's say you want to look at uprights or something more specific like benches. Just click Benches and leave the other settings set to their defaults, and all of the benches will appear. Or let's say you want to look at boulder designs. Let's set Style to Boulder and leave the others set to their defaults and click Submit. You can use all of the fields together or narrow or broaden your search. For type, you can choose from upright, wing, bevel, slant, or flat markers, ledgers, crypts, benches, pedestals, or signs. For style, you may choose from traditional, vase monuments, hearts, contemporary, diamond, Gothic, bronze, etching, scenes, or boulders. And for size, you may choose from companion or double, family, individual, benches, children's monuments, veterans monuments, pet monuments, or signs. For color, you may choose from blue-gray, pink, red, black, bronze, mahogany, or brown. Let's say you choose flat markers that are traditional, and the companion or double size in the blue-gray granite. Click Submit, and all of your choices appear on the preview screen. Often a manufacturer or retailer will be given the family name from a monument featured in one of Design Mart's catalogs, but they don't know the name of the catalog. They don't know the page number or the CAD file number. By clicking Family Name and entering the family name in the field and clicking Submit, you're able to quickly find the design by family name. Let's say your customer likes a particular carving and you know the name or number of it. You can just type in the name of the carving, such as a D5001 rose, in this field and click Submit, and it will display every monument design available with that particular rose. Then your customer can choose from among those options. You can also search by measurement. Let's say your customer or the cemetery requires a 4-foot monument. Enter that dimension here, and every monument in that size will appear on the preview screen. The online catalog is especially useful when searching for a collection of specialized monuments, such as only crypts or mausolea or only markers. First thing you'll notice about the online monument designer is it is personalized with your company name at the top of the screen. When your customers are accessing the catalog with your username and password, your company name always appears at the top of the screen. Many of our retail monument customers even have a link on their website that takes their customers directly to the online catalog, and since their name appears at the top, it looks like it's their very own monument catalog. If you're a monument retailer, manufacturer, importer, funeral home, or cemetery, we'd like for you to give the online catalog and monument designer a free trial today. Please visit us on the web at www.designmart.com, email us at d-mart@designmart.com, or call us at 800-736-7455 for a free username and password today.